I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite ways to activate this amazing human body so you have more energy, more vitality, which will help you become more aware and more grateful for the abundance around you. The first tip here is going to be what you put in your mouth will determine how you feel and the thoughts that you think. You see, health is your true wealth. And if you're eating crappy food, you're just going to feel crappy. That's the bottom line of it. So what we want to do is first and foremost, eat real food. Just eat real food. Whole foods, it's where it's at. But when we're eating food, one of the best foods we could eat, actually two types of foods we could eat to really stabilize our energy, our reducing inflammation and help us feel great, is increasing healthy protein, increasing healthy fat, and decreasing carbohydrates. Now, this could be called the ketogenic diet, which I love, but it doesn't have to be a ketogenic diet. When you're eating a lot of carbohydrates, you're gonna be on this roller coaster of glucose spike, glucose drop, meaning energy levels go up, energy levels drop. And you're gonna have to rely on snacks and foods, and you're going to be handcuffed to your diet. We don't want that. We wanna break free and have metabolic flexibility and freedom. And how you do that is simply increase healthy fats like avocados and eggs and coconuts and coconut oil, avocado oil, grass-fed beef, poultry. These are healthy fats, healthy protein, help you feel full and help stabilize your energy levels. Second tip is intermittent fasting. Look, intermittent fasting, nothing new about it. It's been around forever, just like keto. They're just more nuanced. So with intermittent fasting, it's not necessarily about eating less. It's about eating less often. When you are in a constant fed state, eating every 2 to 3 hours, it takes a lot of energy and resources and blood flow to process that meal. Think about all that has to go into processing a meal. That energy could be used for crushing your day, for thinking creative thoughts, for being resilient, for focusing on abundance and gratitude. But when you're eating a meal, you're taking all the resources to shuttle that meal through digestion. That's not good. We are not designed to eat every 2 to 3 hours. We are designed to go periods of time without food. This is called intermittent fasting. All 70 trillion cells in your body are designed and hardwired to go through periods of fasting. So eliminate the snacks. Maybe cut out breakfast, have an eating window, have a fasting window. Look, if nature had a reset button, that button would be called intermittent fasting. It's one of the best ways to turn on the brain. It's one of the best ways to reverse or prevent diseases like cancer and autoimmune disease because of a process that's turned on during a fast called autophagy. Think of autophagy, the analogy here is your refrigerator. You open up your refrigerator and you have groceries inside that refrigerator. What would happen if you left all of the groceries inside of your refrigerator expire, but instead of throwing them into the trash, you just let them sit there and close the refrigerator door? It's going to be disgusting. There's going to be disease that will develop in that refrigerator. Guess what? Your body is like that refrigerator. You have cells, you have bacteria, you have proteins that all have an expiration date on them. When you fast, you turn on a process called autophagy, which gets rid of the expired groceries inside of your body. So if you're not practicing fasting, that would be my second tip to you. The third tip, and I think this is the most important tip, is you get what you think about most of the time. We want to exercise before we exercise. Your thoughts truly become things. The average person thinks 60,000 thoughts every single day, and it's estimated that 90% of those daily thoughts are the same thoughts from the day before, and it's typically negative thoughts. I call these negative thoughts stinking thinking. If your thinking is stinking, your dreams are shrinking. Health dreams, financial dreams, relationship dreams. So what we want to do is choose a better thought. It's our greatest power as a human being is the ability to choose our thoughts. And that starts with practicing gratitude, because what you appreciate begins to appreciate. And I really believe, I know, what you think about, you bring about. So if you're not in the habit of practicing daily gratitude, I encourage you to do it today. You're going to activate parts of your brain to seek more things to be grateful for. But the opposite is also true. When you're complaining and living in fear and resentful, guess what? You get more things to complain about and live in fear about and be resentful for. Not good, but when you focus on gratitude, God, the universe, love, Mother Nature gives you more to be grateful for. That's why I call this the strongest vitamin in the world, vitamin G, which is vitamin gratitude. I'm grateful for you. I'm grateful you watched my entire video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about me, head to benazadi.com. We also have a YouTube channel, Keto Kamp on YouTube, Kamp with the K, and the Keto Kamp podcast. See you soon.